year that he bred mares, he had 64 Grade 1 winners or producers in his first book. Just to kind of give you an idea, that's very, very impressive, particularly because we want to have the best mares going to our stallions. It was so hard to get into him his first year that Sheikh Mohammed actually handpicked most of the mares that he covered. He will be having some starters this summer at Saratoga. He's my second favorite, actually.
They just like to hear your voice and they come on.
He's like, peppermint? But he was primarily a really good 3-year-old, so we're hoping he'll have some good 2-year-olds this summer. But next year is his 3-year-olds. That's what we're really expecting to see. The trainers all love his horses. They say they have great minds. So.
Now, can you give him a